Okay, just for a second, think about how much video you've seen today. A clip on social media, a quick tutorial, a company update. Video isn't just a thing anymore. It's pretty much the main way we learn, share, and connect. The demand is just insane. But here's the problem, right? Making good video has always been slow, super expensive, and honestly, a huge headache. Well, what if that just wasn't true anymore? Today, we're diving into the AI revolution that is completely rewriting the rules. So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll tackle that huge production problem everyone runs into. Then, we'll get into the AI solution that's changing everything. We'll pull back the curtain and see how the magic actually works, explore its incredible power to speak any language, and then we'll look at the mind-blowing future of interactive video. Finally, we'll talk about what this all means for you. All right, first step, the big problem. Why is it so ridiculously difficult to make a simple, professional-looking video? Does this feel a little familiar? You know you need to be making more video, but just the thought of the time, the money, the effort, it's just, well, it's a lot. Yeah, these are the classic headaches that kill so many great ideas. It's not just one thing, it's a whole domino effect. The process drags on forever. Finding people and places costs a fortune. Then you're stuck in post-production hell, and trying to scale that for different countries? Forget about it. It's almost impossible to keep your content fresh and relevant. But that whole broken system, that's exactly what AI is here to fix. We're talking about a totally new way of thinking about making videos, one where you don't need a whole studio to get studio-quality results. Look at this. This comparison says it all. The old way was this long, complicated marathon with a dozen different steps. The new way, it's a sprint. You type a script, you generate a video. That's it. The entire massive pipeline just got shrunk down to a single click. And the results of that shift are just staggering. We're talking about making videos 10 times faster, slashing translation costs by 80%. But what that really means is a project that would have taken your team weeks, maybe even months, can now be done in a day. So, you're probably wondering, how does this magic actually work? It sounds like science fiction, I know, but turning a simple script into a finished video is actually way easier than you think. The whole thing really just breaks down into 4 simple steps. 1, you just paste in your script. 2, this is the fun part, you pick your presenter from a huge library of AI avatars and voices. 3, you tweak the visuals, add your branding and style. And 4, you hit generate. That's literally it. Your video is built and ready to share. And it gets even cooler than that. What if you could star in your own videos without ever having to get in front of a camera again? That's the whole idea behind creating your own digital twin. All you do is record a quick 2-minute video of yourself, upload it with your consent, which is super important, and the AI creates a reusable avatar of you. From that point on, your digital self can host any video you want. This just opens up this massive toolkit of creative choices. You can grab a pre-built stock avatar right off the shelf. You can use your own personal video avatar. You can even make a single photo come to life and talk. Or, get this, you can just describe a character in a text prompt and have the AI create them from scratch. The flexibility is just incredible. Okay, so making the video is one thing, but one of the absolute superpowers of this tech is its ability to just smash through language barriers and give you instant global reach. And when I say global, I really mean it. The AI can handle over 175 languages and dialects. This isn't just about translating words, it's about being able to speak to anyone, anywhere on the planet in their native tongue. And this is where things get truly mind-blowing. We are way beyond basic subtitles here. AI dubbing is like getting a perfect performance in a whole new language. It doesn't just translate, it actually clones the speaker's tone of voice, their emotion, and, this is the crazy part, it perfectly syncs the avatar's lips to the new words. It's absolutely seamless. And hey, this isn't just a cool idea. It's getting huge results for major companies right now. Just look at Trivago. They used this exact tech to localize their TV commercials for 30 different countries. In the process, they cut their post-production time in half, saving them 3 to 4 months on every single campaign. Creating and translating videos this quickly is already a game changer, but the technology is not stopping there. Nope. The next big thing is to make video a two-way street. What if your videos could stop talking at people and start talking with them? So, say hello to the interactive AI avatar. This is not an actor reading a script. This is a digital expert that you can have an actual conversation with. Just imagine a character that can have a real-time, unscripted chat, pulling answers instantly from a knowledge base you provide, like your company's product manuals or training guides. The potential uses here are just wow. Think about it. A customer support rep that's not a clunky chatbot, but a friendly face that works 24/7 in any language. Or a sales avatar that can send thousands of truly personal video messages. We're talking on-demand employee training and product demos that can answer any question, anytime. So when you put all of this together, the instant creation, the effortless translation, the interactive conversations, you end up with something way bigger than just a cool new tool. What you really get is the democratization of video storytelling itself. This quote from a creator, Roger Hurst, just nails it. It's about that magic moment when you realize all the old barriers, the cameras, the lights, the studios, even just the fear of being on screen, they're all gone. Suddenly, the only thing between you and creating an amazing video is your idea. For the longest time, telling your story through video was a privilege. It was for people with big budgets and all the technical skills. Well, that era's over. The walls have come down. So the real question, the one I want to leave you with, is this. Now that anyone can create a video, what story will you tell